How to complain in Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to complain in Temu app. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, download and install Temu application on your device. Launch Temu app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now, select You button or the profile icon at bottom center of the screen. At top right corner, you will find customer support icon. Select that which is next to settings icon. Once you're on the support section, you will get different kinds of topics. You have to search for the relevant topics. Here you can get recommended topics, order issues, shipping and delivery, return and refund topics, and many more such. Suppose if you are having issue with product and stock, simply select it and then you can select either that's stock or size and feed. Then you will see different kinds of frequently asked question and answers. However, if you still want to contact the customer support, scroll down at the bottom of the screen and there you will get contact us button. Tap on it and here you will get virtually assisted directly. You can ask any kind of query on the section and get your answer. So in this way, we can easily complain in Temu application. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.